Hi, I'm Kandie Frederick with Country Real Estate. How do sellers pass a home inspection? As a potential seller in today's real estate market, pre-listing inspections are becoming more common. Some sellers worry their home won't pass or that it could kill their deal. Here's the truth. Home inspections aren't about passing or failing, and they rarely stop a deal when you're prepared. There's actually a lot you can do before the inspector even shows up. A common misconception is that a home inspection determines whether a home can be sold. In reality, it's simply a source of information and a disclosure to the buyer. When handled correctly, it can actually help justify your listing price, eliminate uncertainty, and keep deals together. The key is preparation. When sellers understand what inspectors look for and address issues proactively, inspections are far less stressful and far more predictable. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps sellers should take to avoid surprises, navigate the inspection process confidently, and keep their sale on track. Number 1, fix the big 5 first. Inspectors are trained to focus on 5 key areas: roof, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, foundation. Before listing, have a licensed contractor or a handyman do a quick walkthrough of these systems. Small issues like leaky faucets, exposed wires, or old filters are easy to fix, and they show buyers you've taken care of the home. Number 2, declutter mechanical areas. The inspector needs access to the attic, crawl space, breaker panel, furnace, and water heater. If these are blocked, it gets noticed, and that can look like you're hiding something. Make sure these spaces are clean, accessible, and well lit. It shows transparency and makes the inspection smoother from the start. Number 3, handle known issues proactively. Already know your GFI outlets don't work or the deck has wood rot? Don't wait for the inspector to flag it. Fix it first or disclose it up front. Buyers are more likely to accept known issues when they're not discovered as surprises. Transparency builds trust and often prevents deals from falling apart. Number 4, consider a pre-listing inspection. Want total peace of mind? Schedule the inspection before you list. We can help you with that. This lets you fix issues in advance, price the home accordingly, or disclose repairs to avoid surprises when the issues come up later. Sellers who do this often sell faster with fewer concessions. Passing a home inspection isn't about perfection. It's about preparation and transparency. If you want to avoid last-minute surprises, price reductions, or failed contracts, I can help you get your home inspection ready. Call or text me for a quick consultation. I'll walk you through exactly what to expect, what to fix, and how to sell with confidence. Thanks for watching.